Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Nano Banana isn't working on your Gemini app, don't worry, you are not alone. Today I will walk you through some quick and simple fix to get it work again in just a few minutes. So let's jump right in. First, just check your app versions. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and then just search for Gemini like this and then if you see an update button just tap it because Nano Banana is a new AI image generator that built directly inside Gemini, so if your app isn't updated to the latest versions the feature might not load properly. And once you have updated, just open the app again and test it out. And then next, if Nano Banana still doesn't respond or take forever to load, your internet connections might be the issues. So just try switching the between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Or you can also test your connections by visiting speedtest.net on the browser. Just tap on run speed test like this. Okay, like this for smooth AI image generations, maybe you will want at least 10 until 15 Mbps download speed and it needs a stable signal. And if your internet keeps dropping or the speed is too low, just fix that first before testing Nano Banana again. Now, if everything seems fine but Nano Banana still won't load, it could be simply by Google servers that being overloaded. Because since it's a new feature, millions of users are probably trying it at the same time. So in that case, there's nothing wrong with your app or phone. It's just temporary. Just wait an hour or two, then try again later. It usually start working once the traffic slows down. And okay, that's it. A quick fix for Nino Banana isn't working on your phone. If this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.